It still is.
The 22nd of January 1998. So it is about, it's against this romantic time. It's like a message. You wrote a story and this is like a message. And it's about, this boy and girl, they are being separated. And boy is writing a message for the girl that if ever you come back, what you will see. So the boy is writing and explaining to her beloved that. So I will read it in Urdu and I will try to translate it if I could. So what he says कि कभी लौट के आना तो देखना, कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने क्या क्या हिसाब संभाल रखा है. कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने क्या क्या हिसाब संभाल रखा है. तमाम गुनाह सब सवाब संभाल रखा है. मैंने तेरी यादें ही नहीं अपना एक एक ख्वाब संभाल रखा है. So what it means कैसे, if ever you come back, you will see what I have saved in my dreams. So what it's saying that I have saved all the sins, all the rewards. Thank you. I've saved all the sins and rewards, and I haven't lost anything. I have saved your beautiful memories, and I have saved all my dreams. So that's what this means. And then it goes के कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने वसल की मुसर्रतें. कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने वसल की मुसर्रतें. इंतज़ार की बेकरारी हिजर का अज़ाब संभाल रखा है. मैंने एक ख्वाब संभाल रखा है. So if you ever come back, you will see I have saved all the players of our meetings. I've saved all the players of our meeting, and I have saved all the restless of your waiting. So when you wasn't with me and I was waiting for you and I was restlessly waiting for you, all those feelings I have saved. I haven't lost it. And it says that all the pain of our separation I have saved. So when you come back, you will see I have saved all my dreams. And by that it says, it goes on like, then it says कि कभी लौट के आना तो देखना.
Yes.
कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने यादों में तेरी नशीली आंखें, लंबी जुल्फें, तेरा सरकद, तेरी मस्त चाल, तेरी वारफ्तगी, तेरा इज्तिनाब संभाल रखा है. मैंने एक एक ख्वाब संभाल रखा है. If you ever come back, you will see that in my memories I have saved, the image of your beautiful eyes. In my memories I have saved the image of your beautiful eyes and your long hair and your cuts, your tall build,
Figure.
your tall figure, your elegant walk, and your spontaneousness when you used to come to meet me, and your hesitation when sometimes you were reluctant and hesitant, and another time you were spontaneous. I have saved all those things in my memory. I haven't lost it. And then in the last, it says, in the end it says कि कभी लौट के आना तो देखना, कभी लौट के आना तो चलेंगे उसी राह पर. कभी लौट के आना तो चलेंगे उसी राह पर. किसी शाम सुहानी को गवाह बना के नदी के पानी को मैं दिखाऊंगा तुम्हें.
Scarf here? Scarf?
This one? Thanks.
कभी लौट के आना तो चलेंगे उसी राह पर. And it is a reference to special paths. चलेंगे उसी राह पर. किसी शाम सुहानी को गवाह बना के नदी के पानी को क्योमा था जिसे हम दोनों ने क्योमा था जिसे हम दोनों ने मैं दिखाऊंगा तुम्हें मैंने मोहब्बत की निशानी को सुर्ख गुलाब संभाल रखा है मैंने एक एक ख्वाब संभाल रखा है so it says that if you ever come back I will take you on the same path you used to go and where once we
on the sides of
on the sides of the stream, the side of the canal, on the stream, where we used to go, and
We'll go for walk.
we go for
With the
walk again.
grandparents.
And I will show you that once, you know what we did, that as a token of our love, as a memory of your love, I have saved that flower which we both plucked once from the side of the stream, and both of us kissed that flower. I haven't lost that flower. I've still saved it, with me as a token of your love. So if you ever come back,
Lovely.
you will see it.
Lovely.
Where is she now?
Where is she now?
Where is